The upcoming Poco F6 and Poco F6 Pro is confirmed to launch in India and globally on May 23. The Poco F6 Pro is expected to be a rebranded Redmi K70. This is the first look hands-on images or unboxing, and this is a box content. We can clearly see the phone in its black variant. According to a recent Amazon leak, the top-tier 16GB per 1TB Poco F6 Pro should retail for around €619.90. The Poco F6 Pro was certified by the FCC about a couple of weeks ago with a 5000 mAh battery and 120W fast charging support. Now, the smartphone has popped up on Geekbench with more specs. Geekbench revealed that the Poco F6 Pro, sporting model designation 23113RKC6G, is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, runs Android 14, and has 16GB of RAM on board. The Poco F6 Pro scored 1,421 and 5,166 points in Geekbench's single and multi-core tests. The non-Pro Poco F6 via rebranded Redmi Turbo 3. It will be interesting to compare their performance when they do eventually come out, as the non-Pro will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The Poco F6 Pro will come with a WQHD Plus AMOLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate, 3840Hz PWM dimming, with 4000 nit peak brightness. Poco F6 Pro feature a triple rear camera system, 50MP primary, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 16MP selfie. An in-display fingerprint sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.